Your why is by far the most important mindset shift you need for any success on a sustained fat reduction journey. The reason why you want to lose weight, fat, needs to be powerful enough to get you through all the challenges that you will encounter during any fat loss regime you embark on. My own why was so powerful, there was no way I could ever fail on my own fat reduction journey. I lost all the weight, fat I wanted, needed, within weeks, without any pills, potions, hacks or tricks, or any other ridiculous so-called weight loss products. And more to the point, I've kept my new body shape the same for the past, up to now, 15 years. My own why was that never again was I going to poison my body with toxic synthetic chemicals found in all processed so-called food for someone else's profit. This should also be at least one of your whys, even if not the main one. Other whys could include future health reasons. Having too many enlarged fat cells in your body will seriously affect your long-term health. Aesthetic reasons. You will look better and be more attractive with a more natural shaped body, despite all the curves are beautiful for profits nonsense propaganda. Fitness reasons. Of course, you will naturally be fitter and more energetic after you have reduced the size of your fat cells. Self-esteem. Prove to yourself, and maybe to others, that you can and will succeed in getting your shape back. I've said this before, but it's worth repeating here again. A very powerful motivational why is to think about getting your natural body shape back to benefit other people. Think about who else, apart from yourself, will benefit from you getting your shape back. Of course, by losing or reducing the enlarged fat cells in your body, not only will your body shape change, but so will your health and fitness. There is no doubt that everyone in your family will enjoy having a fitter and healthier parent, or partner, or son or daughter. Another very serious thing to consider is the future. Having too many enlarged fat cells in your body will create a greater chance of you contracting long-term health issues and disease. This is the very reason food is made toxic in the first place, to make you ill in the longer term, for medical profits. And if you do contract a debilitating disease, you are going to be a burden to someone. Another very important thing to consider is that by you gaining success in rejuvenating your body, your own personal esteem will rise, which will also raise your energetic vibrations, which will then go out into the universe, the quantum field, and have a positive effect on more people than you could ever imagine. And that's a pretty powerful motivation for anyone.
A dying swan on pointed toes leapt gracefully along the stage. Sally in the audience entranced, her imagination fully engaged. Her future now crystal clear for her to see. A ballerina with grace and poise she was going to be. Lessons, dedication, and training filled her day. A toned discipline, body her reward, but no time for play. Her first love brought her wondrous joy and contentment. Its abrupt end shattered her life, left only burning resentment. Ice cream became her only care, her only consolation. Tubs of it she would eat, which only fueled her desolation. The solace of junk food relentlessly led to addiction. Her lithe body soon shaped with fat and awful affliction. maybe even a rehab. The book Your Shape Back promised everything she needed, a unique approach with constant support until she succeeded. A way to break bad habits, her former body she'd reclaim. Forgotten dreams remembered, a chance still for fortune and fame. Some months later, her debut on stage, not quite the dying swan, but a support dancer by common consent, the most graceful one. However much you abuse your body, it's never too late to amend. Your shape back, the best chance for success, I will recommend.